Okay.
Happy Easter!
Oh, you guys look cute.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Earth, Mars, Saturn, Venus, Neptune, Mercury, we're missing one. Jupiter! We're saying Jupiter! Yeah! Yeah!
Jupiter. Hi, baby. Hey guys, it's a new day. We're gonna pick up the kids from my parents' house. They had a nice sleepover and they spent some time with their cousins. But before we leave the house to do that, I'm gonna make some lunch. Today's lunch is somewhat inspired by Panda Express. I'm gonna be making a chicken mushroom zucchini stir fry. Also, don't mind
Got him!
Don't mind my hair. I just have my home headband on and
Can't unsee that.
I have my hair actually braided and pinned up. I had washed my hair last night, so I put some cream product in there so that when I release the braid that I have some nice waves going on. We do have somewhere to go later this evening, so I'll take it out and I'll show you guys when I take it out then. How are you guys liking my new camera? This camera was specifically designed for vlogging, so hopefully I had set it up correctly. There's a built-in microphone in the camera that is supposed to help with audio quality. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm super excited. I need to get used to this camera, so bear with me. I have a lot to learn. Okay, so I prepped all the vegetables and the chicken. This is what I got so far. So for this stir fry, we're gonna do some mushrooms, zucchini, onions, and I have some garlic in my garlic crusher here. And then some chopped up chicken thighs, which I'm gonna season with salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna coat it in some cornstarch. So in a hot pan, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil and also some sesame oil. The sesame oil is gonna give a very nice flavor to the chicken. We're gonna head out right now, so I'm gonna undo my braids that I put in last night while my hair was damp. I did a little experiment and put hair product on this side that should help keep the waves nice and more crisp. And this side, I did not put any product. So I'm gonna see if it actually works better. It looks pretty shiny from what I can see. All right, and now this side, no product. I didn't actually mean to make it an experiment. I started on this side, and when I was about halfway down to braiding it, is when I realized I forgot to put the hair product. So I was like, you know what, let's test it out and see if it even really makes a big difference. But from feeling my braid as I'm taking it out, this side definitely feels more hydrated, a little more smooth, versus this side feels a little bit more frizzy. I don't know if it's because I slept on that side more. What do you guys think? When I mesh it all together, it looks pretty much the same, but I think I do like the feeling of having the product. So from this point on, I'm gonna actually use that product, but let's see how it wears for the rest of the day. For the ride, I'm so excited to try this new flavor, white gummy bear rain. We usually love strawberry sublime, but I saw this today. Let's try it out. We're gonna go pick up the kids now. Oops. Let's try it out. I feel like it has somewhat of an orangey flavor to it. But I like it. Kind of an orange or lime. I can't really pinpoint it. You always need that second sip to figure it out.
Like gummy bear.
If I tasted this blindly without knowing the name of the flavor, I would have guessed orange or lime. Do you like it better than the strawberry?
An orange and a lime is a lemon.
No, it's not. A lemon is a lemon.
I don't think so.
He said an orange and a lime is a lemon.
A watermelon and a honeydew is a cantaloupe.
Not quite.
Yup.
Knowledge from Rusted. Now that I'm in the car with the sunlight, I am noticing, and Rusted even noticed, that the side that I did put product definitely looks better. This side's getting a little frizzy, so I'm trying not to touch it. Okay, gonna get the kids now. Bye. Okay, we got the kids. How was your sleepover?
Good.
Ethan, what's wrong with your neck? Oh, can't see.
Okay, there you go.
Wow, Justin. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Rylan or French fry? Rylan or French fry?
No, right.
Happy meal.
No, I'm not happy now.
Bruh. Jax, look. Turn the camera so you can see yourself.
Hi.
Look you. Oh.
Say hi. fun tonight? Okay, say goodnight to everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
W.
ERS.
Honey.